ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಆನಂತ ಸಯನ ಆನಂತ ರೂಪ ಮಮ ಗುರುನಾಥ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಆನಂತ ಸಯನ ಆನಂತ ರೂಪ.
The greatest happening which happened in my life is having a living enlightened master incarnation happen in my life.
ಆನಂತ ಸಯನ ಆನಂತ ರೂಪ ಮಮ ಗುರುನಾಥ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಆನಂತ ಸಯನ ಆನಂದ ರೂಪ ಮಮ ಗುರುನಾಥ ಪ್ರಣವ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಪ್ರಣವ ಸ್ವರೂಪ.
So I first met Swamiji back in 2009. I attended the first Kalpataru program, and it was a most extraordinary experience for me, because just seeing a being who's completely in bliss, and I still remember that bliss caught on to me for days. I was happy for no reason. That was the first experience I had, that you can be happy and blissful in life for no reason.
ಕಮಲ ಮನೋಹರ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಆನಂದ ಸಯನ ಮಮ ಗುರುನಾಥ.
Just listening to his videos, listening to his talks, he was directly able to address what is going on inside me. It was absolute miracle, because whatever challenges I'm going through in a day, I would just come and watch his video, and exactly precisely as if he is just sitting inside me in my inner space, in my mind, the solution he would be speaking about, and exactly I would be able to apply that right in my life.
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಆನಂತ ಸಯನ.
The greatest thing I've seen in Swamiji is one of the dimension of always about others, living for others, always putting others in front and not having anything for you. When you see Swamiji, everything he makes it as possible. Everything which I thought is not possible, or which you don't even know that dimension can exist in you, Guru makes it happen for you. Beyond the mind, beyond what we perceive as us, there is this higher reality, and Swamiji is the embodiment of that. And just by learning that from him directly, I can just say that I'm imbibing that and learning it. Every moment is a blessing and a extraordinary space which Master is continuously leading us. So it's a continuous expansion with the grace of the Guru.
ಕಮಲ ಮನೋಹರ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಕಮಲ ಮನೋಹರ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ.
first you decide to play with the incompletion. Like a child, when it's very small, it plays with fire as it's like a game to play with fire. But the fire, if it continues playing, the fire can burn the whole house and the child can get trapped. Like that, you decide to play with your incompletions as a game, and lastly, you get trapped into it.
See, what I think is, as Swamiji told, plants doesn't have muscle memory, it has biomemory. So it carries the karma, so still it has the incompletions.
Swamiji told that when we realize that we are the microcosm in the macrocosm, we become enlightened. And when we realize the macrocosm which is inside us, which is the microcosm, we are incarnations.
Also, once Swamiji explained in the satsangs when he was speaking about completion, he told what we think as incompletions, we think they're huge mountains which are present in us. But Swamiji told they are only big gas balloons which are flying up. We think they are so big and they have so much. But the moment you feel you are able to complete with one incident completely, then that means you're just poking a small hole in the balloon. Then the whole balloon will just like that disappear. So I feel you only think the incompletions are so big, but really the incompletions are not that big. So it's your perception about your incompletions which make you feel that incompletions are greater than consciousness.
Los Angeles Sangha participated in the recently concluded First Ascent Expo held at the Los Angeles Convention Center between February 27th through March 1st of this year. Over 230 exhibitor booths representing diverse fields like entertainment, fashion, spirituality, health and wellness, and philanthropy participated. The theme for the booth was Inner Peace Leads to World Peace. A workshop and a panel discussion on Find Your Authentic Self was also held. Keynote speakers from the expo participated in the panel discussion and the subsequent interactive session. The booth hosted the Mirror of Authenticity to enrich people on the completion technique, and spiritual blessings and healing were also offered.
This is the place where life started. This is the place where science of living started. This is the place where science of enlightenment is shared first time on the planet Earth. This city is older than history itself, older than legends itself. Mahadeva settled here. This place is never forsaken. Avimukta Kshetra. Experience the science of enlightenment from the source. Get ready for a spiritual blast.